welcome to Blue Brick 33. Today I'll be reviewing the new LEGO Ideas Typewriter. This has 2,079 pieces, retails for $200 in the US, and is geared for ages 18 and up. Now I have a peek inside and unboxing on this set, so if you haven't seen that, you should go check those out, and there'll be a link for that in the description below. The typewriter is a LEGO Ideas set, and personally, I really like the color that they chose, sand green. I think it looks really good with the rest. I think it actually looks better than having it like gray or black. And you have the keys in the front and then the carriage in the back, and like all of it is pretty much functional except for having actual ink for the paper, and you can feed paper in there. So all the keys make everything move except for shift lock, shift key, and backspace. They all press it down, but they do not make the carriage move. Oh, and the space bar. And it also says system on the front. And all the keys are printed, which is very good. Now, right over here, there's a little switch to switch from black ink to red ink. Now, it doesn't work because that would just be too much function, so it doesn't really switch it. When you press, like, say, E, this will move, or the carriage will move to the left, and then the type bar will hit the type basket, and that's really nice. It has, like, the perfect clicking sound, and then the carriage moves. And once you've hit it, enough so it doesn't move, or so right here, this like indent in the brick is there, it will not move anymore. And then you push it back, and then you just type your sentence again. Now it looks a lot better if you use this size paper. Now the set actually comes with a note, and I'm not going to read that for when you get the set. You can read it yourself and experience it, but it has all of a bunch of different languages, 43 different languages, and you can pause the video to see all the languages. And this is the English one, and you have to put it in like this, with the one with writing, just for it to actually come out the way you want it to. So you put it, or you feed it in here, and there's tires here, and that actually pretty much secures it. And then you're gonna turn this, then it comes up like this, and you put the bar over it, and then there, and then you'd type and then you push it back and put some more up. And on the back, you can see system is play and some of the function. Now, if you really want to see the inside, you should look at my peek inside, but there is some of it, and there's like almost like like the top of a helicopter, or part of a helicopter piece that makes some of the noise in here, and then when you push it back, it all like winds up. And then to take this out, once you're done doing it, you'd go like that, and then you could just put it back in. Now, that is pretty much all of the typewriter. You can see a few of the Technic axles, but it's not really that much of a big deal. And right here for the ribbon, it feels a little papery almost, but is definitely a ribbon pretty much. And then that just attaches here, and you'd put it behind it with the black and the red for here. Black and red. Now, one other thing is the middle row of keys, especially J, K, and L for me, or really K and L, but J a little. You almost push a little too far down, and it's a little annoying compared to like all of these. But also, if you like go like that, the middle keys go up, but like the top, don't do that, and same with the bottom. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any more LEGO Ideas videos like this. And